Hey everyone, the Utah Chiropractic Summit is happening April 25th, and this is one event you do not want to miss. I'm Dr. Evan Katz from professionalintegrated.com, and I'm going to be there live, bringing you the real world information chiropractors are actually facing today. This isn't theory, this isn't a dress rehearsal, this is what happens after a car crash. We're going to go really deep into motor vehicle collisions. We're going to go over the research that supports injury mechanisms, the biomechanics of a crash, and the chiropractic research that clearly validates why what we do matters. I'm going to be walking you through my experience being in trial over 50 times, fighting for chiropractic rights, showing you exactly how insurance companies question our care, what they attack, and how they try to undermine your clinical decision making. You'll hear the questions that they ask, traps that they try to set, and how to answer with confidence, documentation, and science. And if time allows, we're going to go even further. I'm going to try to share real world narratives and rebuttals that I've written against recently a neurologist here from the local hospital that was hired by an insurance company to make outlandish, unfounded claims about my patient, your patients. We'll break down how to document better, how to support your care, how to validate your treatment plans, and ultimately, how to get better outcomes for your patients while protecting your practice and your credibility. And yes, CE credits are available. Again, this is the Utah Chiropractic Summit, April 25th, hosted through the Salt Lake Injury Law Firm. So if you treat injury cases, if you want to communicate with authority, and if you want your care to stand up in the real world to validate your treatment, I'll see you there. Be sure to join, check out Salt Lake Injury Law, get your tickets. Let's get after it.